Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. Make the move 5312 Golden Isles Drive, 2 beds, 2 baths, 1,750 square feet, Tidewater floor plan, park-like views, villa in MiraBay. This upgraded Tidewater villa offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a dedicated office with French doors, and 1,750 square feet of single-story living in the gated waterfront community of MiraBay. Located directly across from a peaceful, park-like green space, the charming front porch creates the perfect setting for relaxing or chatting with neighbors. Inside, you'll find crown molding in every room, hand-rubbed bronze hardware, a surround sound system, granite countertops, and 18-inch diagonal tile in the main areas. The kitchen is a showstopper, featuring 42-inch wood cabinets with crown and rope trim, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and a double-wall oven, including convection. The cozy breakfast nook offers views of the front porch and park. The primary suite includes a custom walk-in closet with built-in organizers and an ensuite bath with pedestal sinks. The secondary bedroom is generously sized, and the office offers flexible space for work or guests. The rear entry garage includes a laundry sink, and a large screen patio provides private outdoor living at the back of the home. Additional upgrades: new roof 2024, plantation shutter window treatments, built-in glass display cabinetry, front and back entry ceiling custom woodwork. MiraBay residents enjoy resort-style amenities including year-round heated pools with lap lanes and a waterslide, a 24-hour fitness center, clubhouse with cafe and lounge, tennis, pickleball, basketball courts, parks, playgrounds, kayaking, paddle boarding, and miles of walking trails. The community is golf cart friendly with backroad access to MiraBay Village's dining, grocery, and retail options. Conveniently located between Tampa and Sarasota, this home